Hi and welcome. Let's begin our drawing with the help of number 3. Now join and extend a tiny tail. Make a horn on the head and semicircular scales on the back. Good job! Now draw a circle. Follow up with a 6 and 2. Put a tiny nose. Draw eyes with lashes. 2 leaf-like ears. A flower like tiny tail. 2 feet and a huge carrot right in front of our bunny. Now make the carrot greens and color. What shall we draw next? Grab your orange marker and let's draw a friendly dinosaur. Make its scale somewhat like V's. Next, draw its hands and then its 2 feet. Now comes pointy teeth and eyes, stripes on the tummy and red patches on its skin. Roar! Dinosaur! Let's begin by making an abstract 3, a reverse 3 and a wide 3 followed by 2 more 3s just like so. Add details to the ears, draw the eyes, a smile and our bunny is ready. Using the broad part of a blue marker, draw the outline of a dinosaur. Now fill color in its body. With an orange marker, draw semicircular scales right up till its tail and color it. Next, draw the eye. Make pointy teeth and dot some round patches on its back. Draw a circle. Now make another tiny one to make an eye and then add a smile, 2 bunny ears and the body. Then make the 4 little feet and add a tail. Done! Draw a 2 and 2 small zeros beside. Connect the 2 zeros with the circle. Draw triangle-shaped eyes and sleepy eyes with lashes. Draw the nose, a mouth and add whiskers. Make a big curved line to join the head to the 2. Next, make a long tail and patches on the head. Excellent! Draw 2 joined circles with 2 reverse C's and 1 reverse 3, 2 Z's above and now complete the eyes. Make an oblong shape just like so. Then draw a belt around the waist and mark some patches below. Do you recognize the cartoon character? That's Patrick Star. Color it. Draw a circle with 6s below facing each other and repeat with 2 bigger 6s. Now join. Make a pair of semicircular ears. Draw round eyes and add a big oval snout. Put a red heart in the hands of the teddy and color the teddy in brown or any color that you like. Color it up very nicely. So that's all for today. See you soon.